As well as French regular ER and IR verbs, there are also RE regular verbs. They are referred to as RE verbs since their infinitive ends in RE. What is the infinitive form of the verb? The infinitive form of the verb is the version of the verb which appears in the dictionary. In French, the infinitive is indicated by the endings such as RE. For example,
vendre, attendre, répondre.
Verbs are regular when their conjugation follows a set pattern. In order to conjugate these verbs, you need to replace the RE ending with the appropriate ending according to the person or the subject of the verb in your sentence. Here are the endings of RE regular verbs in the present tense. Singular.
Je, au J apostrophe, S, tu, S, il, elle, on.
Plural.
Nous, ONS, vous, IZ, il, INT, elle, INT. Vendre,
To sell. Singular.
je vends, tu vends, il vend, elle vend, on vend.
Plural.
Nous vendons, vous vendez, ils vendent, elles vendent.
For example,
j'entends du bruit, tu descends du bus, il perd son stylo, elle correspond avec ses amis, on vend des fruits, nous répondons à la question, vous rendez les livres, ils tondent la pelouse, elles fondent au soleil.
here are some other regular RE verbs.
Étendre, défendre, pendre, prétendre, mordre.